following vaccine administration, the chicken don't develop adequate antibody titer level, and or the chicken are susceptible to a field disease outbreak. By definition, a vaccination failure occurs when the chicken don't develop adequate antibody titer level, and or the chicken are susceptible to a field disease outbreak. When a vaccination fails, the nature inclination is to blame the vaccine, although there are other factors that must be evaluated to determine the cause of the failure. Basics of vaccination in poultry: good vaccination program design, element of vaccination program, number of vaccination, type of vaccination, route of vaccination, interval between subsequent vaccination, age of the first vaccination, stimulation and maintenance of protective immunity, and development of the immunological memory. This is the aim of any vaccine: stimulation and maintenance of protective immunity, development of immunological memory, good immune response, correct vaccine storage, good administration technique, correct vaccination program, healthy bird, no stress, no immune suppression, good nutrition, good vaccine, correct vaccine storage, good administration, correct vaccination program, healthy bird, no stress, no immune suppression, good nutrition. Causes of vaccination failure: maternal antibody may be interfere with vaccine, stress, chicken may already be incubating the disease, chicken may be immunosuppressed, strong field challenge. This is causes related to the bird. Maternal antibody, stress, chicken may already be incubating the disease, chicken may be immunosuppressed, strong field challenge, weaning of vaccine immunity. Causes of the vaccination failure, as we mentioned: maternal antibody, stress, incubating the disease, the chicken may already be incubating the disease, chicken may be immunosuppressed, strong field challenge, vaccine immunity. A high level of maternal antibody in the young chicken may interfere with the multiplication of the live vaccine, reducing the amount of immunity produced. For example, if a chicken comes from a breeder then with a high level of antibody against Gumboro infectious bursal disease, the chick will typically have high level of antibody maternal for several weeks. If vaccination is attempted in the presence of these antibodies, some of the vaccine virus will be inactivated. Stress may reduce the chicken ability to mount an immune response. Stress may be include environmental extreme temperature, relative humidity, inadequate nutrition, parasitism, other diseases. Chicken should not be vaccinated during period of stress, so it's better to delay vaccination until birds are healthy. Cause: the chicken may be immunosuppressed due to infection with IBD virus or Merrick's disease. This is affect the immune system of the bird virus from the consumption of feed with high level of mycotoxin. Also, this is reduce the immunity of the bird. The term immunosuppression refers to circumstances where the non-cellular antibody and cellular component of the immune system are not functioning properly. This may result in the development of only limited protection from the vaccination and an excessive vaccine reaction with morbidity and mortality. Chicken may already be incubating the disease at the time of vaccine administration. Despite proper administration, birds become diseased because time is needed for antibody production to begin and reach protective level. Remember, after first exposure to a live virus type vaccine, immunoglobulin GMA are first detected approximately 4 to 5 days following exposure. Additional days are required for titer to reach protective level. Chicken may be immunosuppressed due to infection with IBD virus or Merrick disease virus, or from consumption of feed with high level of mycotoxin. The term immunosuppression refers to circumstances when the non-cellular and cellular component of the immune system are not functioning properly. This may result in development or only limited protection from the vaccination, an excessive vaccine reaction with morbidity and mortality. Sorry, we repeat this because it's very important. The concept of immune suppression and its causes, and what is the immune suppression and its effect on the bird. No vaccine can be tolerated unlimited field challenge. Really, if a very field challenge, the vaccine cannot tolerate this challenge. Avian influenza, for example, if the challenge is very high, the vaccine fail to face this challenge. Antibodies are proteins subjected to metabolic breakdown. Vaccination doesn't give the same protection forever. Weaning of the vaccine immunity. Live vaccine may be inactivated. The vaccine may not contain the proper strain. This is the causes related to the vaccine. Live vaccine may be inactivated. The vaccine may not be contain the proper strain. Poor distribution of live vaccine. Vaccine may be of poor quality. Live vaccine may be inactivated due to improper handling or administration. Before administration live vaccine, check and record lot number, expiration date on the vial. Store and handle vaccine as recommended by the manufacturer. Once a vaccine is reconstituted, the time clock is ticking. Infectious bronchitis vaccine loses 50% of its potency in warm condition in under 1 hour. The vaccine may not contain the proper strain or serotypes of organism required to stimulate protective immunity, although the vaccine is administered properly and uniform. The adequate antibody titer are present. The chicken still break with the disease, particularly with infectious bronchitis and more recently with infectious bursal disease. The vaccine may not contain the proper strain. Poor distribution of the live vaccine. Poor distribution of live vaccine administered by the water or spray route may result in chicken being missed in the parts of the house. Relying on the transmission of the vaccine from bird to bird is risky and can result in excessive ruling type reaction of long duration and delayed immunity in the flock. Mixed with killed vaccine will result in chicken with no protection, as killed vaccine will not spread from bird to bird. Vaccine may not be may be of poor quality. Vaccine may be of poor quality, low vaccine titer, contaminated. The vaccine manufacturing industry is highly regulated and has extensive internal quality control. Vaccine failure due to problems with the vaccine are rare.